Welcome to the premiere issue of The Truck Channel. The Truck Channel is a video magazine just for truckers. Each issue will present news, information, and entertainment stories about trucks and drivers in action and with sound, as only a video magazine can do. The Truck Channel. Truck Channel. In this issue, you'll see our cover story featuring Bobby Whitfield's attempt to bring truckers together for better governmental representation, financial strength, and a general good time. It all happened at Truckers Aid 88 near Dallas, Texas. Some have called it a success, and others a failure. In this story, you'll have a chance to decide for yourself what happened at Truckers Aid. You'll see Tyrone Malone attempt to break the land speed record on the Bonneville Salt Flats with surprising results. You may have heard the X-rated truck stop comedy of John Fox on audio cassette before, but now we've cleaned him up and put him on video for the whole family to enjoy. We'll go back in time to see how a Goodyear Tire Company truck played an important role in the development of long-distance trucking. And while we're time traveling, we'll look into the future to see what Ford is doing to help develop aerodynamics for trucking 10 years from now. We'll visit the amazing Giant Travel Center and Truck Stop outside of Gallup, New Mexico. We'll fly with a bear in the air and watch him spot, time, and tag some 40 vehicles a day. Our guest editor, Tom Berg of American Trucker Magazine, will talk about the missing $1 billion from our fuel taxes that were supposed to go into road construction. You'll see these stories and more in this premiere issue of the Truck Channel. But first, we'd like to take you on a road test of Freightliner's new Thunder and Lightning. Road Test is an in-depth review of the latest equipment in trucking from the professional driver's perspective. Road Test features Merv Orr, internationally known trucking expert. Merv has been driving and teaching others to drive for over 40 years. He's tested trucks from magazines and manufacturers for years. And Stan Kimberly. Stan is a consultant on truck systems for large fleets, industry publications, and the government. This is Road Test.